Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue our furniture store app, okay? And since I don't have any backend, so I must have to learn a backend first to develop my APIs. And one more thing, guys, I have created a WhatsApp channel. As you know, WhatsApp release a channel section, so I have created it because most of you thinking that I just don't upload videos regularly. I do, but YouTube doesn't notify you. So if you guys join my WhatsApp channel, then I will notify you all on a regular basis whenever I upload any video on my channel. Okay, so please go and join the link already in the description. After that, we can continue with this application. Okay, so I try to learn it and I successfully build a API for our furniture application. I will show you. So let me first open my Postman. As you can see here, I have some REST APIs here. Okay, so currently I am working on my local host since I don't have that much budget to host my APIs. That's why, and I have developed this REST API using Kotlin, Ketor, and with developing API with Ketor, it's very simple, very simple. Okay, if you have basic knowledge of Kotlin coroutines, okay, then you can simply develop. And it's little bit required knowledge of architecture, means MVC architecture. Okay, and if you have that much knowledge about Kotlin and the architecture, and you can simply develop this API. Okay, I'm not going to provide this code. Okay, and I already provided my Android application code. Okay, so go check out. And for developing the furniture application, I just want to show you how production level application got developed, okay, behind the scene. That's why I want to show you. Okay, so let's first run our REST API server. Okay, and I will show you one by one. So as you can see here, our server got started, and I will open my Postman. And after that, I have some, as you can see here, I have some REST API opened here. Okay, so since we don't have any user, so we are not going to test this user REST API. And I have some, let's see this slider data. Okay, so as you can see here, I have some repository here and routes here. Okay, so if I want to fetch the slider data, so what I do is I simply copy the slider endpoint and I'm going to paste it here. And if I post it, so as you can see here, slider field must not be null or empty. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, and I must start my MongoDB server first. So let me do that too. Okay, and after that we are ready to fetch. Let me connect it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have some models here. So this is the slider model that we are going to, the data we are going to fetch in our slider page. And after that, we are going to fetch this category and product model on our home page. Okay, so as you can see, we have two data here. Okay, so let me get the data. Okay, so as you can see here, we got our slider data, and we can also delete the data. Okay, and we can also insert the data. So if I change it to post, and if I send it, so I don't know, maybe the fields are missing because as you can see here, the product description, so these are not the fields. Okay, to insert the slider data, that's why it's saying that. So if I change the field and try to insert, means I need to provide these fields over there, and after that I successfully insert the data. We'll see this part too, because I thought that we need to implement admin panel too. because if we don't, then we means how we test the data. Okay, that's why we need an admin who is responsible to insert data inside our database, and after it we will fetch that data to for the user. Okay, so as you can see here, we have slider data, and after that we have home data too. Okay, so if I do this, as you can see here, we have the category data. Okay, and with that, so we have here home data, and as you can see here, we have category section. And one more thing here, sorry guys, because this I took this wireframe from some website. Okay, and somehow this wireframe not available on the site, so we need to take reference from the image, means only from our thumbnail. Okay, so I'm so sorry for that. And yeah, so if you are also facing the same issue, please don't care about the UI part. Okay, the only major part is if you learn what I'm trying to teach you, then you can design this UI whatever you want. Okay, and it's simple because we are going to use XML for that. Okay, and if you developing this application using Jetpack Compose, it's very easy. It's not that complicated. So the good news is I have developed all the required APIs with my own. Okay, and we can do as much changes as we want. Okay, so we can test it with thousands of data here. Okay, so don't worry about that, and we are ready to go. Okay, and we have some data here also. So the best part is we are going to test this for admin panel too, means with admin panel too, because I have developed all the APIs accordingly. Okay, so means admin panel can get the data, delete the data, update the data, everything I have developed accordingly. Okay, so everything, as you can see here. So I want to give you the good news is we are going to continue this series again, and from now we are going to complete this series. Okay, so thank you so much for this much love, because recently I completed my 1K subscriber on my channel. Okay, with your support, and please, the only thing is I want to say that 91% people don't subscribe my YouTube channel. They just watch the content and leave my channel. Okay, so if you guys don't support my me, and if you don't subscribe my channel, then I'm sorry, I can't continue with YouTube and for you guys, because I know you are facing the challenge, and I'm trying from bottom of my heart to help you. Okay, and if you don't help me to help you, then I can't do anything, because there are lots of boilerplate tutorials on the YouTube. They will just teach you the concept. They are not going to teach you the actual implementation of that logic. Okay, and that's what I am trying to teach you. Okay, so it's your responsibility to subscribe my channel and support me. Okay, so do it, and I will do my responsibility. So thank you so much, and we'll see in next video, and make sure you subscribe my channel.